March, and that means it is time to make some accessories. Rosettes are everywhere. We're in the whole rosette trend. Like, I call it girly pop because it's just, to me, it's like a lot of things that if you're not girly, you probably won't necessarily like. But I take them, I'm not super girly, but I take them in doses. Like these ribbons on this super boxy t-shirt, that's me. And I love how easy they can be just using some t-shirts. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina, and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. So for all of you guys who bought your Upcycle planner, I promised you guys that we would cater our year to what's going on in the planner. So if you got the planner, if you didn't, of course, make sure you get it. The link is in the description box below, and it'll pop up right here. You can get it in hardcover form as well as downloadable form or digital form. But at the beginning of March and April, we go into destination and DIY accessories. I do have a bunch of examples here for you, as well as QR codes. In the digital planner, it's just links because you can link directly to it. But this is for March and April. So I wanted to bring you guys a really easy way to make a rosette. Either you can make a rosette belt or you can make a rosette choker. It's completely the same exact tutorial. And we are going to do that now. Like I said, get your planner, but let's make these super cute rosettes.
All right, so for this quick little tutorial, we are going to make a choker out of a t-shirt and some yarn. This is cording. You can also use yarn. I'm going to make 2 of them. And then we're going to need a needle and some thread. The first thing we're going to do, we're actually not even going to cut all of the t-shirt. We're going to cut it like we're going to crop it. So I'm going to cut off this bottom. Now we'll cut about a 3-inch strip of the t-shirt across the bottom. All right, so we're going to take that piece and we're going to cut it open on one side, and that gives us 1 long piece. Now we're going to take our needle and thread. We're going to thread our needle, and then you're going to knot it on the end. All right, so now we're going to take the needle and we're just going to take it in and out right along the middle of this piece of t-shirt. Like in and out. It doesn't matter like really how far apart. Just you want to take it in and out, in and out. Now, if you do have a sewing machine, you can run a gathering stitch on your sewing machine, which will make this a ton faster, but we're going to do this by hand. We're going to keep going until we get all the way to the end. All right, so that's what we have. And then we want to fold it in half along the seam and begin to roll it around. And then you just keep folding it in half and rolling it around until you get to the end. Okay, so now that I have it rolled around, I'm just gonna, since I still have some thread left, I'm just gonna stitch this so that it doesn't get loose again. Just take it around a few times. Okay, you want to make sure everything kind of stays flat on the bottom. Stay. And now we need a circle that is a little bit bigger, just a little bit bigger than this. So I'm going to make a circle out of a piece of this, and then the rest I can stretch and actually turn it into t-shirt yarn so that it could be the strap. I'm not going to do that because I have really pretty cording that I'm going to use, but you could definitely do that. I'll make a circle, circular shape, and that, okay, covers that decently. Take our cording, measure it around your neck, make sure it's the length that you want, and you're going to lay that there. I'm going to add some fabric glue and go ahead and glue that down. This glue is a bit much for this project, but you know, we're going to use it anyway, and it dries pretty fast. So, and now we have a t-shirt flower. We're going to let that dry, and then we'll shake it free from the little pieces. It won't fray, but you will get those pieces at the beginning, so you want to make sure you shake them all free. You want to make sure that all the layers are glued, and we're going to let that dry flat, and that's it.
If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. And if you missed this tutorial, which is super easy and no sew, and I have 2 other no sew t-shirt tutorials with it in the same tutorial, you can go back to last week. I'll put a link right here. It'll be popping up above. And we are doing a series of upcycling our dream Pinterest wardrobe, like the trends and the things that you just see on Pinterest that you've had in your Pinterest boards for a long time. Let's get those things done. Let's make them. Let's write them down in our books, and definitely subscribe so we can go on this journey together. All right, back to the video.
And to make a smaller flower, you're going to work with a shorter piece that is also not as wide. So this piece is 2 inches wide and about half as long as the first one. So this is just the front half of a t-shirt.
That's when I saw that someone knew that from around. You see on holiday, or will he stick around? He looks so hot, he looks so cool. Hope to see him in school. And now he walked up right to me, and my knees got weak and I just had to leave. It was weird, I'm so shy. You always make me blush so hard. My parents always stay on guard. I drop my cool when you're around.
Okay, so the last thing we're gonna do is, just like last week, trim the edges and add a little bit spray check to the ends.
So that is it. Super, super simple. Like super simple. Let's see how they look.
Yeah, it did happen and to me into a wreck. It got me thinking, but I found a solution. She's so in love, she really is. Will I get any chance to see him? That's when I saw him standing next to me in class. I ain't ready and my heart is beating fast. She's so in love, she really is. Something happened, I couldn't speak a word. Now he said hi, what to do? Once again my knees got weak, I had to leave. It was weird, I said stop. You always make me blush so hard. My
You
parents
can
always
use it as a choker, as a belt. You can also leave off the tie and add just a safety pin and use it as like a pendant, a brooch. So pin them all over just like you see these bows, and do whatever you wish with them. Whatever you wish. So these are super, super cute. Now, I'm not necessarily styling them right now, but like I said, I would probably just wear them with jeans casually. But I did wear one. You'll see one right here, completely styled. And if I did have a black one, I would definitely go like hardcore kind of, not completely goth, but a little bit that direction. But I didn't have any black ribbon right now, so I kind of did want to make a black one. But you can see me here wearing a black one for my last drop, the twisted heart bags, and we do have some of those still available, so definitely check those out. So definitely let me know if you're interested. How will you make yours and how will you style it? Let me know in the comments below. And I have so many other tutorials for you. If you are a no-sew girly or guy, definitely check out this playlist right here. And if you want to learn how to sew, I have the perfect, like literally the perfect video for you to actually finally take that sewing machine out of the box and start using it. I promise. Definitely check it. Just give it a chance. Check it out. I know you're scared, but just check it out. And definitely get the Upcycle Planner 2024. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.